Buko. 7 animals are the most killed and eaten by human. Do you realize how many animals have been killed by human for meat consumption? This may have escaped for our thinking, but the numbers show that their number could reach hundreds of billions in 1 year. Eating is the main human need. To get protein intake, humans eat it from animal. Some of the animals that fall into the category of the most frequently killed for food can all be bred, so it is difficult to become extinct. As long as it continues to breed, from the list it must be one of the most favorite animal for you. As quote from the vegansoul.com page, Friday 31 July 20, here the 7 animals are the mostly killed by and consumed by humans. First, sea animals. According to some estimates, about 19 billion marine animals are killed each year, from small shrimp to large whale. This is considered a conservative figure as records in the fishing industry are calculated on the basis of metric tons. Still, it makes some sense. This is because marine animals are just not fish, but there are crab, lobster, prawn, clam, octopus, squid, and other. In fact, anchovies that are very small are also counted. So, chicken. This is one animal we often encounter on dinner plate. Even some of you have for 1 week ate food prepared from chicken. Chicken is also one of the favorite menus of many people because chicken can be cooked in various methods, from frying, boiling, grilling, and more. So do not be surprised if this animal is in second place as the animal that is mostly killed and consumed. 3. Duck. Just like chicken, animals belonging to this type of poultry are excellent. In Indonesia, for example, duck meat is even more expensive than chicken. There are many restaurants that serve duck menus. Usually, restaurants that serve duck menu without the fish smell will sell much better because it takes a special technique to process this one animal meal. 4. Pigs. Processed meat made from pork can be found in many meat stores around the world. Processed pork is usually in form of bacon, such as salami, ham, and pepperoni. Pork is also consumed by Indonesian people. Even so, the amount of chicken consumption is far more than pork. 5. Rabbit. Rabbit satay is a food prepared from the meat of this adorable animal. This meat is generally consumed in Europe, the Americas, and part of the Middle East. Rabbits that are used as food can be in the form of prey from rearing, which is called cuniculture. Rabbit meat is a good source of protein and has less fat than beef, pork, and chicken. Rabbit fat content is only 8% and cholesterol content is only 164 mg per 100 gram of meat. Protein in content reaches 21%. 6. Goat. This meat is most commonly eaten in Africa, Asia, Central America, and Latin America, and often in Europe. The regions that use the most goat meat are Sub-Saharan Africa, the Middle East, India, Pakistan, Mexico, and the Caribbean. In Mexico, young goats under 1 year old are called cabritos, and their meat is widely consumed. The last is cow. Together with goat, sheep, and buffalo, beef is usually the animal that is often slaughtered during Eid al-Adha. Not only in Indonesia, beef can be processed into steak, burger, and other food. In addition, there are several other parts of beef such as tongue, liver, nose, offal, and oxtail which are only used in certain countries as a basic food ingredient.